5 basic swimming skills. Summer is in full swing and we're all looking for a way to beat the heat and get some fun under the sun. Most people's go-to summer activity is none other than swimming, and rightfully so. Swimming is not only a fun summer activity, it's also a great activity to stay fit and healthy as it offers a lot of health benefits. It can improve one's mood, decrease anxiety, and of course, it helps burn lots of calories. If you want to take your swimming skills up a notch and are even considering taking some swimming classes this summer, here are a few basic swimming skills you need to work on before you jump off the deep end. Breathing. This is arguably the single most important swimming skill that you will need to work on. You need to be able to comfortably control your breathing while you're in the water. The basic idea is that you need to breathe out with both your nose and mouth when your head is underwater. When you lift your head to take a full breath before putting your head back underwater. And when you're floating, you need to keep your breathing calm. Being able to stay calm when you're in the water is a huge factor to all of this. Having proper breathing control is an essential skill in all sports, most especially swimming. Floating. Before you start kicking and stroking, floating in the water is a must-have skill. Floating helps you get used to the habit of moving through water properly. Floating gives you the ability to roll on your back and stay at the water's surface. This places you in an ideal position to breathe. Floating also helps you conserve energy, which reduces the chances of drowning from physical fatigue. Coordination. In swimming, all your body parts should be well coordinated with each other. You must be able to move the muscles of your lower back, abdomen, and hips in a synchronized manner to propel yourself across the water. Working on your coordination outside of the water can help you prepare yourself when you eventually hit deeper waters. Kicking. Kicking is another important skill to learn if you want to master swimming. Your legs are essentially one part of a two-part engine that provides propulsion in the water. To get used to kicking in the water, one of the best ways to practice this safely in the water is the use of a kickboard. The kickboard will help you practice proper kicking mechanics because they provide buoyancy that can help you isolate the legs and train them for your desired movement/s. Strokes. Your arms are the second part of the two-part engine mentioned above. Strokes are the arm movements that help to pull the body through the water. The front crawl, side stroke, backstroke, and butterfly are some of the common swimming strokes that you should learn. When you swim several strokes, you use more different muscles, and different areas of your body get worked out. You also reduce the risk of getting a swimming injury decreased because you balance your movements out and you lessen the strain.